Why MROs are important in AME training? Maintenance, repair, and overhaul organizations play a crucial role in the training and development of aircraft maintenance engineers. DGCA mandates that aircraft maintenance engineering institutes establish practical tie-ups with recognized MRO organizations. MROs provide a real-world environment where AME trainees can gain hands-on experience with aircraft maintenance tasks. Working on actual aircraft and components allows them to apply theoretical knowledge to practical situations, enhancing their skills and understanding. MROs are required to follow strict regulations and standards set by aviation authorities, such as the Directorate General of Civil Aviation in India. As a result, AME trainees working in MROs learn to perform maintenance tasks in line with these industry standards, ensuring safety and quality. Within MROs, AME trainees have the opportunity to work alongside experienced and certified aircraft technicians. This mentorship provides valuable guidance, allowing trainees to learn best practices, gain practical insights, and receive feedback on their work. This environment equips them with the necessary practical experience and knowledge required to pass certification exams successfully. Sha-Shib Group has 6 MROs that are approved by DGCA, Government of India under CAR 145 regulations. Additionally, the group has 10 bases and sub-bases for the maintenance of aircraft, components and their systems. Moreover, Sha-Shib Group of institutions has tie-ups with more than 12 other MROs and airline companies in India as well.
For more information and admissions, please feel free to contact us.